Hello guys, nag-unbox ako ng, eto guys, pinadala kasi to sa akin. Tapos in-unbox ko lang. Tapos ang kulit ni Alexander, hindi ko ano. Hey, what are you doing?
Does this need to be?
No, I'm asking you to use it. Do you need tissue or not?
No.
Okay, so keep it. So yan, alis kami ni Alexander. In-unbox ko lang to para magamit na namin kasi 2 weeks na dito. So yeah, this one, this balloon, we need it for Halloween. Yeah?
Hi, baby. Everyone. It's Halloween the last time.
Yeah?
And it's Halloween.
So what is the Halloween song? Yan, eto yung sasakyan namin, ang daming kalat, diba?
No.
What you will say in the during Halloween?
It's a seated.
Huh?
It's a seated one.
So what you will say? And then eto, may mga sticker pa to actually. Yan. Pero i-upload ko siya, I think dito na siguro. Pero nag-English kasi ako guys. Kasi sa totoo lang, sa isa kong channel, mga British yung nanonood. Kasi shopping siya dito sa UK. Tapos dito naman, of course.
I read it in the bed. That's it.
Don't do that. It's not dirty. We need to use it during Halloween, which is malapit na mag-Halloween. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan yung trick and treat. Maybe wait, lagay ko dito etong bin namin guys. Alam nyo, ayaw ni Apam dun sa side niya, kaya ilalagay ko na lang siya sa side ko siguro. Kasi pag nakaupo siya, nagaganon. Pero this is good for rubbish. Pero wala siyang laman kasi nga naglilinis ako. We're stuck. Oh dear. Call 999. 999, what's your emergency? What's your emergency?
Valentine's.
What?
Valentine's. The other one.
It's okay. I'm like Eto, binili ko to sa Timo, guys. Alam nyo, I'm very happy kasi binili ko siya sa Timo. Kasi nga, lalagyan ko siya ng bag ko. Ang problema lang, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Hindi siya as in like fit sa sasakyan ko. Sander, this is for you. It's for you.
No,
when you throw up.
I won't throw up in this car.
Alam nyo guys,
This is why I throw up. And I don't throw up in it.
because it's a nice car.
Yeah.
Yeah, alam nyo guys, si Alexander talaga, meron siyang travel, oras na, travel sickness.
Wom 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 wom, and that's the alarm. It's the dish order. It's the dish for somebody to use and say that.
Yeah, so dahil meron siyang sickness, I always drink water. Drink water. I always have, wait, I show to guys, dinadala ko to. Kasi pag sumusuka siya, kasi alam niya na Alexander pag sumusuka siya, sasabihin niya, Mommy, I want to throw up. So, binibigay ko to sa kanya. Actually, may plastic to. Nilalagay ko siya ng plastic. Parang ready na siya. Like, plastic na. Tapos, ika-close lang yung plastic. And it's not smelly na sasakyan. Kaysa sa dito, you know? So, expert na si Alexander. At expert na din ako when it comes to suka. Si suka.
Suka.
Say, sumusuka ako.
Ato.
Dahil,
Sebaha affair.
say, dahil,
Dahil ba?
No.
Dahil.
sumusuka.
Sebaha suta. Hi, sing it one.
Say, salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Mahal ko kayo.
Salamat po.
Alam nyo, he tried to make it wrong lang. So anyway, eto na guys. I'm so happy tapos na yung aking gagawin. Kasi nga, sa totoo lang, mayroong mga magsisend sa akin sometimes ng mga products. Tapos kailangan ko siyang i-upload, ganon. Pero sobra ko talagang busy. So eto, matagal na to guys. Parang galit na yata yung nag-send. Or I'm not so sure. So, kailangan ko na siyang i-upload sa aking TikTok, tsaka sa YouTube. Tapos, meron naman yung Fitwell na nag-send sa akin ng shoes. Na-film ko na siya, pero after that, no, the shoes tomorrow, we will show it to guys, okay? Kaso nga lang, medyo dark siya, kaya ayaw ko siyang i-upload sa channel ko, sa isa kong channel. Tapos, ngayon naman, yung Ana Luisa, shout out to Ana Luisa, they will send in jewelry, pero
we will fit you.
no, we're going to come back. So magbabas kami guys, kasi nga alam niyo naman ano pa ako dito, yan.
The fit one we're talking about later.
Naka-L pa tayo. It means kasi,
This one we're talking about later.
yeah, meaning kasi ng L is provisional license ka. Pwede kang mag-drive basta may kasama kang tao na more than 21 years old, tapos 3 years minimum nagda-drive, which is si Apa matagal na siya nagda-drive, and he's of course more than 21 years old. So, pwede siya. So, anyway, hindi ko na kasi malulobat na ako.
This straw is 5 years old. This straw is 4 years old. This straw is 3 years old, and also not that.
Yeah, eto pala, bago ko tong binili, look at.
But the straws are 3 years old too.
Alexander, what we're going to put here? We will put here Band-Aid, alcohol, Betadine. Bibili ako ng Betadine.
You're not to drink.
No, alcohol. Kasi ang alcohol dito nila is alcohol for drinking, which is we don't drink alcohol. Ang tawag, disinfectant na lang para medyo okay siya, no?
This is how it bandages.
Tissue.
So for the dream team though.
Yeah, so yun na lang yung gagawin ko, guys. So anyway, aalis na kami ni Alexander. Sobrang busy ko. Oh my God, I cannot imagine. Basta yung Ana Luisa mag-send sa akin ng jewelry. Hopefully.
Where's the one that's in the top?
Ha?
Where's the one that's in the top?
To clean the car. Oh, yun pala yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, guys. You know, ito, wait, I show you to explain to guys first. This one, I purchased it. 4 pound lang naman siya. So, I can put my bag here, tapos yung mga extra things. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. So, this is the first time. 3 times na ako nag-order sa Timo. Tapos, this is the first time na gusto ko siyang i-return. And then, they told me, since it's your first time to return, we will let you keep it. Nag-refund na sila sa akin ng 4 pound, pero eto, makikip ko siya. Yan. So, it's good din. Nakaka-encourage din bumili. Kaya bumili ulit ako sa Timo. So, yun lang. It's nice pala. So, yan. Ano pa ba?
Water head. And it's underneath.
Yeah, it's underneath. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yan, nagdadala ako ng water dito. This is for cleaning. Yan, I use it for cleaning. Hindi po for drinking. Kasi nga, ayaw ni Afam yung mga plastic bottles, guys. Mas gusto niya is glass talaga siya umiinom. Si Alexander lang kasi nga bata. Tapos pag glass yun, paano na, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Ay!
I'm here.
Ganon si Alexander, guys.
Tree with his hair.
Ganon siya sa pag nakakasira. Anyway, alis na kami kasi bus is coming. So, see you next time, guys. Ito lang yung update. Yan. I will try to put, ito din, meron ako dito sa mga sasakyan ko na hindi ko pa na ayos. Iayos ko to mamaya. Maglilinis ako ng konti ng sasakyan. So, yun, L, kailangan kasama si Afam. Pwede ako mag-drive, pero L, sa Pinas nagda-drive ako, guys. Pero, iba dito eh. Iba sila. Like, ang daming roundabout, ang daming...
The windows are not.
No, because we're going
And
now.
it won't air.
Yan, tapos yan, hindi ko, kailangan ko siyang ipa-car wash talaga kasi yan madumi. Yeah, so i-close ko na lang dahil nga alis na kami.
Open the windows.
What?
I need the windows.
Windows? No, we're going now. The bus is coming back. Yan lang. Very easy lang siya. One press. So, aalis na kami. Mas maganda kasi yung lighting pag naka-open siya kaysa naka-close. So, alis na kami, guys. See you next time. Say, bye, guys. See you next time. We love you. Oh, dear. Punta kami ni Alexander sa museum. Air Force Royal Museum, London. So, pupunta kami doon and mag-video ako, of course. Yeah, yun lang. So, bye guys. See you next time. Madami akong gagawin pa. Bye. See you next time. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, love. Love you guys. Bye, guys.